Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a short, high-quality clip and the right tool. Pick MP4 or MOV, crop to 30-60 seconds for seamless loops. Once chosen, install a wallpaper app compatible with your OS, Wallpaper Engine, or VLC on Windows, a live wallpaper app on Android, or a screen utility on Mac OS. Make sure the video resolution matches your display to avoid stretching. Now open the app and import the file. That first import triggers settings you'll adjust next, so proceed to configure playback. Once the video is imported, configure playback and scaling carefully. Set the clip to loop and mute audio to prevent background sound. Enable hardware acceleration for smooth performance. Then choose a scale mode. Fit preserves aspect ratio, fill crops edges, stretch fills the screen. Preview the result and adjust positioning or center crop if key content is off-screen. Trim start or end points to remove black frames, and set playback speed if the motion feels too fast. Finally, set power preferences. Apply the wallpaper and test how it behaves across virtual desktops, multiple monitors, and the lock screen. If you see stuttering or dropped frames, reduce the video resolution, enable GPU decoding, or update your graphics drivers for better performance. Make sure the app isn't set to always use CPU rendering. If the wallpaper causes battery drain on laptops, set it to disable on battery or provide a static fallback image. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart the wallpaper app after changing settings to clear cached frames and reinitialize playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.